Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal, out here again in the garden, or in the jungle, as we like to call it. And yeah, the flowers are getting really nice, tons of marigolds everywhere. Tomatoes are ripening beautifully. We even harvested a bunch of black tomatoes now. Oh, there's some more in there. I'm gonna have to go get those in a little bit. But I also wanted to show you guys some of the nicer, bigger sized tomatoes are starting to grow here and there. The bigger varieties, like this guy here. There's a bunch in there among the squash as well. So it's doing pretty well. All in all, I would say, considering how little effort we've put in this year for this, things are looking pretty good. I'll show you guys what we've picked so far, and let me finish getting a few more tomatoes from here, and then I'll show you what we managed to pick today. So we're checking out the other garden bed here, the other mulched bed. And we found our first good size squash here. Got this from a friend of one of the schoolmates that we have for our kids, and it's really cool. I'm very happy to see it growing. I actually have never grown this type of squash before. I think it's called kolbásztök in Hungarian, so it means like sausage squash. I'll try to find the name in English and put it on the screen so everybody can see it, but I don't know what it's called in English. I'll try and find it. But it seems like there's going to be quite a few of these, which is really cool. There's some little ones growing here as well. So I'm pretty happy about that, and there might be some more in there. I haven't really looked around. But yeah, so far so good. Got another decent sized zucchini over here. We're going to get that one. And keep looking around and see what else we can find. Oh baby, yeah, we did have quite a few more zucchinis. So my wife just picked a bunch more. This is the one that I just spotted, but she had already picked off these three. Look at this guy, man, it's so huge. This one's pretty much probably the biggest one we had this year. Probably a little bit past its prime of when I would have liked to pick it. These other two are really nice. Might have to like fry this one up or do something like that with it, but man, it's great eating fresh zucchini all the time. We just had some earlier today for lunch as well, and we still have a bunch in the basement from previous harvests. So this is awesome. It's doing really well. The marigolds have come around really nicely here as well in this mulch bed. So even though it didn't look like much at the start, it is looking better now. And we're gonna have to come back in here and do a lot more weeding again, but the plants are doing great, so really happy about this. So anyway, that's it for today. I'm gonna keep it short. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the tomatoes. Hold on, let me show you the tomatoes. So there was one more little zucchini that we picked from the other mulch bed, and then there are the tomatoes from today, and they are delicious. We've been eating some as we have been harvesting, just grazing a little bit here and there. They just taste amazing. You just can't beat homegrown. Hopefully that lighting is okay. It looks a little dark in there. Maybe I'll turn it around like this so you guys can see it better. Yeah, maybe that's a little better. I'm not sure. It's hard to tell. It's so bright out today. Some of these nice black tomatoes have been starting to ripen finally. We got our first ones of these today. I've already eaten a couple. They're amazing. I love these tomatoes. They're so cool. And when you take off the little stem here at the top, a lot of times there's this little star shape that I love in there. It's really cool. This one isn't as pronounced as some of them are, but I really like these tomatoes. They're amazing. So yeah, the small sizes have been producing really well for us. It's been really good for those, and hopefully the larger sizes will still ripen before the end of summer. We'll see. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope everybody's good. Thanks for your support, and see you in another video soon. Thanks. Bye.